Today's moving day. We're going from the San Diego area up to the Temecula area. So we're still going to be relatively close to the beach, for sure within an hour's drive. But we've got to pack up the RV. The toy hauler is such a good crossover space. You can use it for hauling toys, which actually we still do, even though we've used it as other things. We don't use it exclusively for one big toy or four-wheelers. We put our bikes, our bodyboards, surfboards, things like that in here. But it's also great for an office. It was my office at one time before we had Ella. Now with Ella, it's been her room, and it's been great. We got a mini crib. We added a portable closet. We've got a lot of bins for things. We got this from IKEA, and then toys everywhere.